Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to unbox this gimbal, which is Hohem iSteady Mobile Plus, and I'm going to give you a short demonstration on it. Hope you like this video, and if you like the video, please do not forget to like, subscribe and share it with your friends. So let's get started. So it comes with a beautiful box. Let's keep this one aside. Let me open the zip. Okay. Here is the manual. This is the quick start guide. Let's keep this to a side. And if you see the box, here is the charging cable. This is a small stand. And here comes the gimbal. For now, let me keep the box aside. To give you a brief about this gimbal, it's first of all, let me tell you about the cost. It comes around 99 CAD. And if you see it thoroughly, there is a extension. You can put some kind of extension here. This is the sports mode. Here you'll be able to see how much battery, how much charge this gimbal has. There are 4 LEDs. This is the power button. These are the different options, different modes, gimbal modes. Here, this is the zooming option, and here this is the joystick with which you can control the gimbal. And here, if you see, there are two ports. One is the USB with which you can charge your phone, and this another port. This is for charging the gimbal. Okay, so to talk about the compatibility, the iSteady Mobile Plus works perfectly with iPhone and Android smartphones such as iPhone 11, 11 Pro Max, XS, XR, and Android major devices such as Samsung, Android, Google Pixel. So for our demonstration, we'll be using Google Pixel. And this sports mode, it enables the motor to increase the power and react by corresponding movement quickly. Its fast following speed allows to capture the best moments and create transition effect without any post-production. So you need to double tap the trigger button and recenter the motor on its initial position. The size of the phone should not exceed 89 millimeters, and the payload of the phone should be a maximum of 280 grams. This gimbal has a 3600 mAh battery and offers longer work life up to 12 hours. For easy installation, we need to install this Hohem gimbal app. So for our demonstration, we are using Apple phone, and I'm currently installing the app, the Hohem gimbal app. Till the time the installation gets completed, let me give you another information. It uses dual mode Bluetooth. The shutter works when iSteady Mobile Plus connect with the app via Bluetooth, as well as connecting with smartphone or third-party app individually, like Facebook, Beautycam, etc. If you see closely, you can find there's a extension screw here, so you can unlock this and increase the size or decrease it as per your requirement. It works like as per the width of your phone. You can increase the size or decrease it, and once it's done, you can lock the screw to get it in the position. I have a Hohem extension plug, so I bought it from Hohem. So let me show it to you. You can connect it here. I use this for connecting my GoPro, or you can also connect another smartphone here. So we have the app installed in our phone. You can see it installed. So let's go ahead and power on the gimbal. So once I power on the gimbal, we get a pop-up in our phone that it is able to find a gimbal. Are you sure you want to connect? Press sure here, So click OK, and you can see the gimbal starts to get calibrated and it took the position. So let me do one thing now. Let me put my phone there, and from there we can get started. So if you look closely, there are 4 modes. The first one is pan following. What happens here is tilt and roll axes are locked. The gimbal can move left or right smoothly. The second one is pan and tilt following. You can see it written here as PTF. So double clicking this button will get you to that option. What happens here is roll axis is locked. Camera is able to move left or right and tilt up or down. The third one is all lock. You can see it written here as AL. To enable this option, you need to click 3 times this button. The camera stays in its current orientation in this option. And the last one is all following. You can see it here written as AF. Here all tilt axis, roll axis and pan axis all follows. And this option, this is for changing the mode from camera to camcorder and camcorder to camera. And also if you keep pressing this button, you can turn off the gimbal or turn it on. And one more thing to observe here is depending on the options you choose, suppose if you need to go to all locked, which is the third one, so you need to tap this button 3 times, and once you tap it you can find that this LED will blink. Once you see that blinking LED, you can get yourself confirmed that that option took its effect. So let us try that. 1 2 3. So you saw that LED glowing 3 times, right? That means that option took effect and the gimbal is now in all locked option. So now let's talk about the app, the Hoyam app. So there are plenty of options here. You can take panoramic video. So once you turn on this option, the gimbal will take a complete panoramic view and take the image. There are few face controls, like different beauty modes with which you can take some beautiful pictures. This is the option to toggle from photo to video. Different modes here. So you can take slow motion video, you can take motion lapse, then time lapse, long exposure videos, long exposure photos. And there are a lot of options you can play around. Hope you like this video, and please do not forget to like, subscribe and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching.